Speechelo review. So what is going on, guys? Welcome to my review video on Speechelo. As you can tell by today's video, we're going over everything you need to know about this new software. As you can tell right here, instantly transform any text into a 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. We guarantee no one will even discover that your voice is obviously used through a AI generated tool. I'll leave a link down below in the video description where you can actually learn more about Speechelo and the offer. And if you do decide to actually buy through my affiliate link down below in the video description, you will get access to special bonuses that will help you accelerate your success with video marketing and just, online marketing in general, including how you can actually rank on top of the search on YouTube. That's going to be one of my bonuses. How you can rank on Google, some other, YouTube courses that I'll be offering you for free, completely for free if you decide to buy from my link down below. But with that being said, let's begin today's video. As you can see on screen, I actually do have access to the Speechelo tool right here, and I'll be honest, it is actually really high quality. Normally, these type of tools are pretty mediocre and average, but as you see right here, I'm just going to copy and paste some text right here. I'm going to obviously be going through all the upsells as well that the offer has. So as you can see, I have some of like the upsells right here that the product obviously offers, and we'll cover that in more detail in just a moment. But I just want to show you how powerful the tool is, like, first of all, and really give you a inside look inside the actual tool inside the members area, because you obviously came here looking for a review and looking to see what the tool is like firsthand. So let me show you. Okay, so basically, as you can see right here, I've copied and pasted some text, as you can see on screen. And basically, we can choose from a variety of different voices. Obviously, most people are going to be using English, but you may be from a foreign country, or maybe you want to tap into some foreign markets, okay? So you can actually, transform your text into like French, German, Icelandic, Italian, basically whatever language you want. Not whatever language you want, but like there's quite a, diverse amount of languages you can choose from. So, as you can tell, I'm a bit actually excited, because there's not a lot of tools out there that are just this powerful, especially for video marketing. Like, imagine the amount of videos you can create and the amount of like voiceovers you can use to create content for and get a bunch of leads and sales online. Leveraging video marketing. But if we go over here and if we click on generate voice, we can obviously see a preview of the voice before we even generate the voice via our text right here. So click on Billy Joey mail right here. And by the way, if you click the top link down below in the video description, you'll come to this page obviously where you can watch the upsell. Not the upsell, sorry, this is the main sales page. So
since the dawns of humanity,
that's like the voice for the sales page. But if we go over here, you'll see preview voiceover. You'll actually see that this is the same voice.
Hi, welcome to my review video. I hope you will enjoy this video.
Speechelo have used for the main sales page. So basically, you get access to this voice, of course. You get access to the Rosie female.
Hi, I'm Rosie. I am a native English speaker.
Owen right here.
Hi, I'm Owen. I am a native English.
Rachel.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Ellie.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I am a native.
And you get the idea, right? So let's go ahead and click on generate voiceover, and it's got to obviously generate the voice, and it's been created for us. So let's actually go ahead and check it out right now. Alright, so let's scroll down below and let's click on play, and obviously we can download the audio file that we just created as well. And as you can see, you'll see a list of all your generated voices, but let's just go ahead and play the voiceover and see what it's like. Alright?
Hi, welcome to my review video. I hope you are doing well. Please watch our video till the end to learn more, and click the link down below in the video description for the best deal. You're awesome.
Now, I want you to comment down below, what do you think of that voiceover? I think some of the cons, one thing you need to keep in mind, because I made this mistake initially, was that you can't just copy a bunch of random text, obviously, and and just expect it to automatically be perfect. So what I'm trying to get at is that you need to add punctuation, so the AI bot knows when to pause and knows when to emphasize a certain aspect. And you obviously need to sometimes manipulate the tones and stuff. So maybe you want to change the normal tone instead of the friendly tone, or the serious tones. So it does sometimes require a little bit of work in that regard. You obviously want to make sure you format your text correctly, because if you don't, then the voiceover will mess up. So that it's a bit of a con, but yes, just something you need to keep in mind. But in general, as you can tell, the voiceover sounds really realistic, and you get a variety of different voiceovers that you can choose from. And if you get one of the upsells as well, you can import a YouTube caption right here, and that can translate automatically into another language. So you can tap into foreign markets as well. And imagine being able to basically tap into like the foreign, market and sell like foreign affiliate products, and make money in the Spanish market, for example, or in the Italian, market, and promote affiliate products using video marketing in those markets. I mean, the opportunities are limitless. All right, so now that we've covered the basics of the tool and what it can actually do and how powerful it is, this is going to be the main sales page. Obviously, as you can see, you can instantly transform any text into 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. We literally just demonstrated that live to you right now. So it's very, very, very powerful. And at the time of making this video, they offer a special one-time payment with no monthly fees and a 53% discount of only $47. So click the top link down below to see if that discount is still valid. Hopefully it is for you, but if you are watching this video and you click the top link down below and it is for this discount, I'll strongly, recommend you take action, now. If you can, actually just take action now, if you are interested in this tool, so you don't actually have to pay any monthly fees in the in the future. So that's what I'll strongly recommend, just so you don't pay any monthly fees in the future, because again, that may change. So it's just best to like grandfather yourself in for like the one-time fee, instead of like hating yourself later and paying monthly fees. I've done that before for other software, and it's the worst feeling in the world. But that's their main offer, okay? So basically, it works in English and 23 other languages. Basically, they have upsells after this. So the first upgrade right here is going to be basically Speechelo Pro. So this is basically their Pro upgrade right here. So as you can see right here, their standard version right here, you only get like 30 voices. But with their Pro version, you get access to 60 different voices, which is pretty cool. You get access to basically longer voiceovers. So basically, we go back to the tool right here. As you can see, the character limit is 20,000, and it isn't that like long. You can't like create like a longer audio tracks at once, basically, with the standard version. So I actually have access to the Pro version, so I'll strongly recommend, if you are a serious video marketer, to take them up on their upsell right here. Maybe if you're like not a serious marketer and you still want to take advantage and like leverage the power of Speechelo, then the standard version may be perfect for you and you won't have to like upgrade. But that's going to be up to you. I'll let you make a decision based on your own personal situation, because everyone who's watching this video is going to be in a different situation, obviously. You can obviously, get access to like 40 background music tracks as well. So that's very, very, powerful, because you normally have to pay a lot of money for audio tracks. I know from experience, because I've spent a lot of money on Audio Jungle, paying like, $20, even $50 for like an audio track, so it can be very annoying. You obviously get access to commercial license, so you can actually like sell these voiceovers and actually make money off this tool as well. So you'll probably see like a lot of people charging like $100 a minute sometimes for like voiceovers, and you can like, let's just say like charge people a fraction of the price and basically still make money, pretty easy money with little to no work, with this tool as well. Which is a potential opportunity you can take advantage of as well. Obviously, if you buy the product and watch this video, you'll learn more about how you can do that, and obviously more about the Pro version. And obviously you get access to an ebook voiceover cache machine, which is what I was just talking about before. It goes over that method as well, which you can take advantage of. So I mean it's pretty cool. So the second upsell right here is very unique as well. So as you can see right here, how would you like to be able to enter any YouTube link, take that voiceover from that video and create a brand new voiceover with any of the voices from Speechelo? So this is basically taking things to the next level. So you can basically, for an example, imagine taking a YouTube video, like I said before, previously throughout the video, and translating its voiceover into a different language. So you can translate, let's just say, an English video you found on YouTube, and translate that script into a different language without having to do any translations yourself. So for a practical example, imagine taking any English video and translating it into German, or the other way around, for example, and taking any video that is French and translating that voiceover in English. Imagine the opportunity where you can just do that, create content, and basically, tap into all these different markets around the world in all these foreign countries, and basically promote affiliate products or even your own products if you want. You get the idea. I'm not going to go onto a tangent basically, but as you can see, step 1, enter a YouTube link, and then choose any language and a voice. Actually, that purchases upsell as well. So import YouTube caption with the YouTube add-on right here, and obviously we can find the video. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today's Speechelo review video. We've covered everything you need to know about Speechelo, including giving you a live walkthrough inside of the members area, and obviously going through all the upsells and the entire offer as well. And basically, in a nutshell, Speechelo lets you instantly transform any text into a 100% human sounding voiceover. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below in the video description for your convenience, where you can actually get Speechelo for a massive discount, and you can obviously check the pricing as well for Speechelo at any time. So I'll leave a link down below in the video description for your convenience, and that will give you all the details you need to know about the software. And yeah, make sure to leave a like if you did find value in today's video. I did spend a bit of time, obviously, giving you a review on this tool. And yeah, I just hope you found value in it. And yeah, I hope you make an informed decision. And if you decide to get Speechelo, I hope it does make you a ton of money and really serves you and helps you with your online business. So with that being said, thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you found value in today's Speechelo review video.